Morning. Welcome to day 6. Got my water. I find quite often when Forrest shows up, I have to start my days with water instead of coffee. The rain eventually stopped last night. Looks like it's going to be a really nice day today. I'm going to head into town a little later on the bike, grab some lunch, some supplies and stuff. And, well, no real plans. A little swimming. It's been a good week. Forrest is still sleeping, I think, or at least inside his tent anyway. I'll show you the tent later. It's there's some differences between the stuff Forrest brings and the stuff I bring. Maybe we'll go over it later, maybe we won't. I'm gonna make some. He is awake and he can hear me. Yeah, I am gonna make some coffee though, and I think Forrest has plans for breakfast, which would be good because I mean, instant oatmeal and Coast Guard ration bars are good, but 6 days in a row, maybe it's a little much. Bugs are starting to come out. Anyway, there's nothing and stuff to do, so. One of the things I like to pick on Forrest for is the size of some of the stuff and the amount of stuff he brings camping. For example, there's my tent. There's Forrest's tent. There's my vehicle. There's Forrest's vehicle.
Well, hey, I'm making you bacon and eggs, so.
There's my chair. There's Forrest's chair. However, I've been eating mushy instant oatmeal and Coast Guard ration bars every day for breakfast since I got here. What the stuff Forrest brings allows us to do is have bacon and eggs and cook stuff on frying pans, and there's areas to put stuff. So I do like to pick on him for it. I don't know. I think I'm some super cool minimalist kind of guy, but there are definitely advantages to this style of camping, and it's not a trailer. Gotten up, had some breakfast, hung out for a bit, a few coffees. I'm gonna head into Calabogie, get some supplies, pick up some lunch, hit some trails, come back, and then continue on the day. Probably end up in the lake at some point. Hopefully not on the bike, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, so say goodbye to Forrest for a bit, and we'll be back. Coming up to the rocky knoll, where I want to stick to the left.
continuing on to Calabogie. I might try the E-Trail, kind of like shortcut, whatever. So we'll see with all the rain last night. What a beautiful day. Temperature's perfect. Sun is out. Yes. This is where we see if the shortcut is actually a shortcut. Now the trail just split back there a little bit. They do meet up again, but I'm wondering if I should have taken the high road with the rain we got last night. Guess we'll find out. Apparently it wouldn't have made a whole lot of difference. Blues Rocky Hill Climbs, my favorite. Alright, so the shortcut was a shortcut. Good to know. How's it going? How you doing? Good. Clearing trails? Thank you very much.
You see some other guys?
I haven't, no. I came from Govan Lake.
Okay.
Haven't seen anybody else.
Yeah, there's lots of trees.
Oh yeah, yeah. I tried them from the Niagara region. I came up part of the Hastings Heritage Trail,
Oh, yeah.
and about 20, 30K north of Highway 7. It's just, I mean, they've cleared a lot, but they've still got a lot to go.
Yeah. So did you ride up from there?
Yeah, yeah. Do it once a year, take a week, and
You camp in this area?
yeah, I'm at Govan Lake actually.
Oh,
Been there since Monday. Yeah,
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I love that site.
Yeah. You ever asked you for a trail or road permit?
You know what they did once last year. I mean, I was staying there, and I've got my EOTA, so he was fine. But yeah, the guy I don't know his name, but the guy I talked to said he always stops the guys on 2 wheels.
It's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
Good. I'm going to track them down. I see some tracks here.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again.
Hey, you're welcome.
And when you meet up with your guys, tell them I said thanks to them as well.
Dude.
All right. Take care.
Safe ride.
Thanks. You too.